Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 7. Chapter name is Cube and Cube Root. We all are know about that. What is a cube? We all are know what is a cube in a geometry part. Cube is an three-dimension figure which has all its sides are equal. That cube, we all are know about that cube is in a geometry part. But now in this, what is a cube? Firstly, we will discuss about the square. In the last chapter, we all are know about what is a square. Square of any number, that means the square of any number, that means that number will come 2 times. Suppose that the square of a 2, that means the 2 is multiplied by itself 2 times. 2 into 2 is equal to 2 square. That is the square of 2. Now, similarly, square of a 3. Square of 3, that means the 3 will come 2 times. 3 into 3. That means the 3 is multiplied by itself 2 times. How we will write? 3 raised to power 2. That is the square of 3. Similarly, now what is a cube? Cube means that a number will come 3 times. That is the cube. In a square, that the number will come 2 times. In a cube, number will come 3 times. That means now cube of any number, that means that number is multiplied by itself 3 times. That is the cube. What is a cube? Cube of a 2. How we will find a cube of 2? That means 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. That is the cube of 2. How we will write? 2 की power 3. That is the cube of 2. Cube means the number will come 3 times. Not multiply by 3. Cube of any number, that means that number will come 3 times. That doesn't mean that number is multiplied by 3. No, it's a wrong. That number will come 3 times. Now, cube of a 5. Cube of 5, that means the 5 will come 3 times. That means the 5 is multiplied by itself 3 times. 5 into 5 into 5. How we will write? 5 power 3. That is the cube of 5. Similarly, cube of 10. That means 10 into 10 into 10 is equal to 10 cube. That is the cube of 10. Understand? Now, next topic is a perfect cube. What is a perfect cube? How we will find out this number is a perfect cube or not? Firstly, we will take a one number and we will find the prime factorization of this number. And after that, which factor it will comes, that if the factor will come 3 times, each factor will come 3 times, that means this is a perfect cube. मतलब है कि पहले हम कोई भी नंबर के प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे. फर्स्टली वी विल डू द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ दिस नंबर एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल मेक द पेयर ऑफ दिस फैक्टर इन अ ट्रिपलेट फॉर्म. मतलब कि वी विल मेक अ ग्रुप ऑफ दिस फैक्टर इन अ ट्रिपलेट. मतलब कि हमें उस फैक्टर के 3 के ग्रुप बनाने होंगे. वो क्या आएगा? परफेक्ट क्यूब होएगा. इफ द फैक्टर्स आर केम इन अ 4 times, 2 times, then it is not a perfect cube. For example, we will find is 216 is a perfect cube. Firstly, we will make the prime factorization of this number. You all know how to find a prime factorization. After that, 216 is equal to, write these numbers, all the factors of this term, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now, how to find a perfect cube? The factor of this term make a group in a triplet form. That means जो factors आ रहे हैं वो 3 के group में आ रहे हैं. 2, how many times 2 will come? 3 times. And 3 will come 3 times. That means these both factors are came in a 3 times. That means this number is a perfect cube. Understand? इफ इन दिस टर्म 1 3 इज मिसिंग, अगर एक 3 ना होता तो 2 का तो 3 वाला ग्रुप बन रहा है लेकिन 3 का नहीं बन रहा, सो दिस इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब अगर 3 नहीं होता. बट इन दिस टर्म both the pair are grouped in a triplet form, so these are the this is a perfect cube. Understand? Example first is 243 is a perfect cube. Now we will find how we will do. Firstly, we will make the prime factorization of this number 243. It's on a 3 table. 81 again on a 3, 27 again on a 3, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. Now 243 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. ठीक है. Now make a group in a triplet form. The factor 3, firstly we will make these 3 in a one group. Now next one is coming a 2 time only. अगर ये भी 3 बार होता, इनका भी 3 में ग्रुप बन जाना था, लेकिन नहीं, इसका बन गया 3 में ग्रुप और इसका 2 में बना है. हमें क्या चाहिए परफेक्ट क्यूब के लिए? इसका भी 3 में होना चाहिए ग्रुप. दैट मीन्स दिस इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. दैट मीन्स 243 इज अ नॉट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. One more example of perfect cube. Now example second is 128 is a perfect cube? Now we will find that 128 is a perfect cube. Firstly we will make the factorization of this term 128, prime factorization of this term 2 64 2 32 2 16 2 8 2 4 2 2 after that 1. Now 128 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now the factor of this term will make these factors in a group in a triplet form. मतलब हमें इस फैक्टर्स के 3 के ग्रुप बनाने हैं. इस 2 के ये तीनों बन गए, नेक्स्ट ये तीनों बन गए, सभी के पेयर बनाने हैं. ठीक है, पेयर कितने के बनाने? 3 के बनाने, क्योंकि ये चैप्टर है क्यूब में हम कितने के बनाते हैं? 3 के. नाउ अगेन 1 more 2 विल कम. अगर तो इसके साथ 2 और आ जाते तो ये भी एक ग्रुप बन जाना था, बट अब इसके साथ नहीं आ रहे. इसके बन गए हैं, पेयर बन चुके हैं 3 वाले, इसके भी बन गए हैं, इसके नहीं बन रहे. दैट मीन्स दिस इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. If the factors of any numbers will make a pair in a triplet, then that number is a perfect cube. Now next topic is a smallest multiple, that is the perfect cube. In that topic, firstly we will check that number is a perfect cube or not. अगर तो वो नंबर परफेक्ट क्यूब है, दैट्स ओके, दैट मीन्स इट्स डन. आफ्टर दैट इफ दैट नंबर इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब, अगर वो नंबर परफेक्ट क्यूब नहीं है, देन विच नंबर वी विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय दिस नंबर टू मेक अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. मतलब कि हम कौन से स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर को उस नंबर से जिसके हमने फैक्टर्स निकाले हैं, जिसका हमने फाइंड करना है कि वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है कि नहीं है, which smallest number is multiply by this number to make a perfect cube. That means जो हमने फैक्टर्स निकाले हैं, अगर तो परफेक्ट क्यूब नहीं है, उसको किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें कि वो परफेक्ट क्यूब बन जाए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सेकेंड, in example second, they ask that is 392 is a perfect cube? If not, then find the smallest natural number by which 392 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. Firstly, we will check that 392 is a perfect cube or not. After that, I will tell you. Firstly, we will make a prime factorization of 392. How we will make? Firstly, we will make the prime factorization of this number. 392, so not 2, 1, 9, 6. Again on a 2, 9, 8. Again on a 2, 7. Now 392 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Now factor of these term, we will make these factor in a group of triplet. Now make a group of this factor 2 into 2 into 2. Make the pair of this in a triplet form. 2 is in a 2 will come 3 times. We will make a one group of this factor. Now 7 into 7. 7 will come only 2 टाइम. मतलब अगर एक और होता तो हमारे पास ये परफेक्ट क्यूब बन जाना था, लेकिन 1 ये 2 टाइम आ रहा है, 1 टाइम मिसिंग है. दैट मीन्स दिस इज़ नॉट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉप, मतलब जो अब हमें क्या करना है, विच नंबर इज मल्टीप्लाई बाय दिस, which smallest number is multiplied by this number to make a perfect cube. How we will find that? Now in that 1 7 is missing. We need only 1 7 na? With the help of 1 7 it is make a perfect cube. Now what we will do, we will multiply 392 by 7 is equal to 2 into both side into 7 into 7 into 7. Now multiply this term, what we will get, 392 into 7, what we will get, that is a 2024. Now which is a perfect cube. Again I repeat that firstly we will make a prime factorization of this number, and after that see that the factors make a factors in a group in a factor can be grouped in a triplet form. अगर तो वो सब 3-3 के पेयर बन रहे हैं, फैक्टर्स के 3-3 के पेयर बन रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स दिस इज अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. बट इन दैट one factor 2 is grouped in a triplet form, these 2's are came in a 3 times, that and 7 will come in a only 2 times. That means this is not a perfect cube. How to make a perfect cube? Which number is multiplied by 392 to make a perfect cube? 1 7 is a missing. The prime factor 7 does not appear in the group of 3. मतलब क्या है, 3 के ग्रुप में हमारे पास only 2 7s है, 1 7 मिसिंग है. That means we will again I repeat, is 392 is a perfect cube. For this firstly we will make the prime factorization of this number. After that pairing of these factor in a triplet form. We will pair these factor in a triplet form. These 2 factor 2 will come 3 times and 7 will come only 2 times. For perfect cube we need a 3 7, but in that only 2 7 will come. That means the prime factor 7 does not appear in the group of 3. That means the only 2 times 7 will come. We need a 3 times. So therefore this is not a perfect cube. To make it a perfect, इसको perfect cube बनाने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए, only 1 7 चाहिए. That means we will multiply on a both side with a 7 is equal to this. That means we will multiply in both, then which is the perfect cube. Now next example is this number is a perfect cube? If not, then by which smallest number should be divided by this number to make a perfect cube? Now in the last example, what we will do, that which number, smallest number, is multiplied by this number, like that. Now in that, which smallest number is divisible by this number to make a perfect cube? Firstly, we will make a prime factorization of this number. After that, which factor we will get, then we will make the pair of these factor in a triplets. मतलब इन फैक्टर्स के तीन के ग्रुप बनाने हैं. अब देखो, फैक्टर्स बनाने के बाद ये सारे इसके फैक्टर्स आए हैं, ठीक है. नाउ विल मेक अ ग्रुप ऑफ 2 इन अ ट्रिपलेट्स बन रहा है. 11 इज ऑल्सो केम इन अ 3 टाइम. दैट मीन्स इसका भी ग्रुप ट्रिपलेट बन रहा है, ठीक है. 3 का ग्रुप बन रहा है. बच गया 5, ठीक है. अब हमारे पास अकेला 5 बचा है. द प्राइम फैक्टर 5 डज नॉट अपीयर इन द ग्रुप ऑफ 3. मतलब जो 5 है वही है जो 3 के ग्रुप में नहीं आ रहा है, ठीक है. सो दिस इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. 3 का ग्रुप भी नहीं बन रहा है सारे फैक्टर्स का. दैट मीन्स दिस इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. नाउ हाउ वी विल मेक अ परफेक्ट क्यूब? which factors does not appear in the group of 3, we will divide these factor by this term. Understand? Now, so this is not a perfect cube. In the factorization, 5 appear only one time. So we divide this number by 5. डिवाइड कर दो ना, जो नंबर आएगा वो हमारा क्या होएगा? परफेक्ट क्यूब होएगा. We will divide this number by 5. We will get this one. So this is a perfect cube. Understand? परफेक्ट क्यूब में जब मल्टीप्लाई करना है कैसे करते होते हैं? मतलब जिसका पेयर 3 का नहीं बन रहा उसको दोनों साइड मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. डिवीजन में विच इज नॉट अपीयर इन अ ग्रुप ऑफ 3, वी विल डिवाइड दिस नंबर बाय दिस नंबर. देन the perfect cube in this case is this. We will divide this by 5 is equal to this. Similarly, next example is also same as it is. Is this number is a perfect cube? If not, then which smallest natural number should be divided by this quotient so that quotient is a perfect cube? मतलब क्या है? Which number is divisible by this to make this a perfect cube? Similarly, we will make a prime factorization of this number. Now 2 will come in only 2 times. 2 is also not appear in a group of 3, and 3 is a group of the triplets, and 11 is also not a group of 3. मतलब 3 जो है 3 का ग्रुप बन रहा है 3 का, बट 11 is also not appear in the group of 3. 2 भी नहीं है, 11 भी नहीं है. अब किस नंबर से इसको डिवाइड करेंगे कि वो परफेक्ट क्यूब बन जाए? 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 11 क्या आएगा? 2 इंटू 2 4, 4 इंटू 11 44. 44 इज डिवाइड कर देना इसको इसके साथ, तो जो आएगा क्या आएगा? 27. दैट इज दिस इज अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. सिमिलरली नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज ऑल्सो सेम एज इट इज. इन दैट विच नंबर इज मल्टीप्लाई बाय, मतलब अब मल्टीप्लाई वाला कर देना. दिस इज ऑल्सो पेयरिंग दिस नंबर इन अ 3, ठीक है. नाउ दिस इज ऑल्सो इन अ ट्रिपलेट, but this is not in a triplet form. 1 5 is a missing. We need only 1 5 to make it a perfect cube. In multiply, we need only 1 5 to make it a perfect cube. Now what we will do? We will multiply by 5 on a both side to make it a perfect cube. Multiply this, which we will get this one. This is a perfect cube. Understand? Again I repeat, when we will need to multiply smallest number, when in a question they can ask that which number, smallest number is multiplied by, then how we will check? Firstly we will make a prime factorization. After that the pairing of these factor in a triplet form, मतलब कि 3 की फॉर्म में इनके ग्रुप बनाने हैं. जो बच जाएगा उसमें से देखो 2 का पेयर बन रहा है, 1 का अगर नहीं बन रहा है, दैट मीन्स ये एक ही चाहिए जिसका पेयर बनने से हमारे पास ये क्यूब बन जाएगा. दोनों साइड उनको मल्टीप्लाई कर देना. डिवाइड में क्या होगा? कोई एक नंबर एक्स्ट्रा होगा जो एक बार ही अपीयर करेगा, 2 बार नहीं करेगा. उसको उसके साथ डिवाइड करके हमारे पास परफेक्ट क्यूब बन जाएगा. Now you have to solve your exercise first on your fair copy and try these sums on your rough copy. Understand? Your first exercise is completed.